Shine in Art, anong role mo dito? Alam ko naman you have what you call this, a very potential role with Clay.
Yes.
So anong feeling na you are with the diva?
Of course. Nung nalaman ko pa lang po, syempre, dun sa casting namin, nag-screen test kami ni Michael. Yun lang yung alam kong characters. Pero the rest, I don't know who's the cast pa of this show. And then nung nalaman ko na kasi ko, parang halo-halong feeling yung naramdaman ko na, oh my gosh, si Kylie. For sure, malakit naman ang pala. Marami ka mo yung
Okay.
Pero si Kay naman very supportive sa mga...
Pero nung na-experience ko ng makaisa na si Kay, sobrang ang sarap sa feeling na parang wala talagang kaba. Kasi meron kaming collaboration, open kami Actually, tinanong niya po ako sa one scene na parang ano ba gusto mo totohanin yung sampal. Doon ako naging, although ako naman ayokong pinipake po talaga kasi iba rin yung feeling na I have to react authentically, di ba? Nasa go lang. Pero iwasan mo lang yung kuko mo kasi baka masukatan yung mukha ko. Parang sa continuity. Pero yun, working with guys really, really easy, masaya. And actually parang dito wala talaga kami problema.
Saka nakaka-challenge din, di ba? It also makes you a better actress.
Totoo po. Iba din talaga yung natututunan ko din sa iba-ibang acts na kasama ko sa isang show. And I'm really happy to work with her for the second time. This is the first lang na GMA show. Kasi nung unan po namin is her movie, Black Lipstick. So yun, ito talaga yung mas malala. Mas seryoso.
So, ano yung preparations na ginawa mo? Because you'll be pitting with Kylie na sobrang, the role made her to be who she is. She is now coming from Kambal Karibal.
Opo. Actually, yung workshop po na ginawa namin, more on preparation. I have, yung character ko kasi meron akong brother na may special needs. So, yun yung pinocus nila for my character. Kasi it's very crucial on how kung paano mo aalagaan, paano yung gestures, ano yung mga pwede at hindi pwedeng gawin with them. So yun yung pinokus na, and of course sa cooking kasi ako yung chef dito, ganyan. May kahit pa paano background with cooking.
Pero usapan niyo yung tungkol, siyempre marami kayong confrontation scenes, yung hanggang saan lang ba
wala naman
physical,
po lahat totoo, pero maingat po kami. Parang after the scene, okay ka lang ba? You always ask each other, may sugat ba? May sakit ba? Ganyan. So, nakaka-help din kasi yung pain actually ng very light kasi it gives you natural reaction.
Kasi if dating back from the history ng mga past artists natin na nagkaroon mga ganyang eksena, minsan nagiging personal, so nagkaroon ng tampuhan, minsan nga confrontation outside the taping or shooting kasi masyadong tinutuang sampal or pagsabun or whatever. So it transcends into personal matter. Sa inyo naman, sa
Hindi po, never naman po ako nagkaroon sa mga dati ko ring roles na nagkaroon ng mga ganyang eksena. Never naman ako nagkaroon ng problem sa mga naka-eksena ko kasi it's very, very clear to me na it's our job. It's part of the job. We're paid to do this. Unless we have to be, of course, respect sa mga kasama namin. Communication is very important para hindi nagkakaroon ng mga ganong problema. At huwag dalhin ng personal. It's just work.
Pero sa tingin mo ba yung heartache mo nakatulong ng sa mo sa pagiging actress mo ngayon, yung past heartbreak mo?
I think all I can say is everything happens for a reason. And lahat naman ng pinagdadaanan ng isang tao, generally, nakaka-help naman yun sa pag-grow bilang tao. And actually, this show, while doing it, this show helped me to heal. So, yeah.
So, how are you now?
I'm okay, I'm happy. I'm very happy.
Are you friends? Do you see each other eye to eye? Okay. No. You're not friends? No. So, andun yung burden. Parang, did you carry the burden of the heartbreak or naka-move on ka na?
Kinda, pero syempre, I'm not gonna lie, merong mga parang certain, I'm okay now, I'm happy, diba? So parang, to there are certain points lang or events na sometimes nakaka-trigger siya. Kunyari, sa mga friends or sa mga taong kasama sa paligid mo. Parang pag may nagawa sa'yo, parang, ay, wait lang, naalala ko yung gano'n na. Parang may nangyari sa akin, tropa ka, gano'n. Mga gano'n at some point. Pero, lagi ko na lang nire-remind sa sarili ko na, kasi po talagang pinagdasal ko na, yung mga taong hindi dapat na nasa buhay ko, Lord, please, pakitanggal sila. Kasi I don't want to spend my life with people na hindi nakakatulong sa...
Okay, honestly, I have to ask you, how do you feel nung na-involve siya kay si Yasa?
I don't... Actually, sa totoo lang po, I'm gonna be honest. Kasi I'm focusing at my work and siya din. I don't really... I have parang... It's fine. I don't feel anything. Parang I'm just really glad that wala na ako.
Totoo. Parang...
Yeah. I'm finally free.
Pero syempre, parang syempre may feeling, Claudine, parang gano'n.
Actually, ako po talaga sa ugali ko, I'm not saying, sa pagkakilala ko po kasi sa sarili ko, hindi ako nagbibigay ng malicious. All I know is just work. Kasi syempre, di ba, there's publicity, there's kanya. Syempre, magkatama kayo sa work. So, there's possibility talaga na, minsan may maging crush mo yung eksena mo, co-actor mo, ganyan. Kasi we're just human. Pero, so far, I don't really care.
Pero if ever a project would come along, okay ka?
No.
Talaga?
I honestly don't. I really, I know there's a different opinion. So parang bakit? And it's just work. Ganun. Yeah, but that's personally speaking. That's my opinion. And that's what will help me to heal more myself. Kasi syempre I'm still healing. It's just happening last year. So.
Matagal din naman kayo, di ba? So parang in a way, di ba, yung pinagsamahan, tapos biglang nagkaganon. So, ano pa rin yung hugot, di ba? And it will not help you in your personal, it's not a personal edge on your part. So, ready ka ma-in love ulit. Or you have someone now?
Yes, I'm ready to, be happy again and give another chance. Kasi ayokong, although, syempre, I'm not gonna lie talaga, medyo traumatizing talaga kasi siya. Yun nangyari sa akin. Pero, I want to, gusto kong bigyan ng chance ulit yung sarili ko to wag mag-stuck dun sa kung anong nangyari before and learn from it.
Yeah, what age are you now?
24.
24. So since you matured, kahit pa paano andun na rin,
yes,
diba?
Actually.
At least na-carry mo yung tama lang. So sa career naman, how do you foresee your career after the Shining Inheritance? Kasi diba, it's a good role.
Yes, opo. Sobrang, sa totoo lang yung focus ko po, ito lang talaga. Hanggat ngayon hindi pa siya na-air and I wanted to see kung anong feedback ng mga tao. Siguro that's when I will start. Kung ano pa yung pwede ko magawa. Kasi that's when I will know kung ano yung feedback from them sa audiences. Pero I'm really happy to be able to work with Tita Connie. I'm just really blessed and happy. So kilig. Kasi I didn't expect na work ko siya. And it really helped us a lot. Sobra.
Spiritually.
Yes.
And she's a good actress.
Yes, opo. And she's a very, very good person talaga. As in, she's like a best friend, nanay, friend, ganyan sa amin. Parang very bagets pa rin si Tita Connie with us.
Siyempre, anak na mother ng mayor, so maraming isi-share din sa inyo ng lessons in life, di ba?
Especially with God. She really, gumawa po talaga siya ng way for us to be more closer with God. And talagang, that's when I also part of, Tita Connie did help me to somewhat heal myself and accept things and mas lumapit kay God, mas kumapit sa Kanya.
Okay, thank you, Kay.
Thank you so much po.